so I can put it on YouTube right afterwards, if that's okay. Hi, I'm Derek Murphy. I'm a nonfiction author. I've got a bunch of stuff out, but I'm really excited about 3 things. So I'm going to talk about these 3 things that I'm really excited about you can do with nonfiction books that I haven't done yet, but I will soon. The first one's advertising. You can advertise a nonfiction book really well because there's a higher price point, but especially if you have a back end. So you want to have your nonfiction book which does all the things that your autoresponder should do to sell a product, but instead of having the nonfiction book and then the click to the opt-in and the free thing, and then this autoresponder series where only 20% of the people are even opening your emails, I want to put all those things, especially like the engagement, the sympathizing stories, the platform building stuff. You really want that inside your book that people are actually reading because they may never open your emails. So you want to do that, and then you also want to have a tripwire, so a cheap one-time follow-up thing. Even if they sign up for the free thing that you have at the end of your book, you want to have something for like $17, 90% off, and I want to put that link inside the book or inside the opt-in bribe, so when they download the thing, they have the link. Basically, trying to push my offer and the profit as close to the front of the funnel as possible instead of waiting for some people maybe to find it later on, because a lot of people will buy the book, maybe they won't even read it, but if they see your $17, $7 offer or whatever right away, they might buy it, which means you can spend a lot of money on Amazon ads or Facebook ads. And so the third thing I'm really excited about is you can build a brand really quickly for specific things. So I haven't done this yet because I've done a lot of I've done a lot of very specific nonfiction stuff like how to X, and it's valuable, but it doesn't build my brand because nobody really cares about the service provider guy. They want the ideas guy. I want to rebrand myself as like a creativity guru or creativity alchemist, so I need a couple nonfiction books about general creativity, but as long as I have a short tripwire and a shortened funnel, I can spend money on advertising profitably and really quickly grow a really large audience without spending any money. So that's what I'm kind of excited about. I'm Derek Murphy. Bye-bye.